How to turn off reminder emails notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off reminder emails notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram and now click here and then click the storylines in the top corner and then click settings, and here we'll find notifications. Click on it and now select email notifications, and as you see here we'll find reminder emails. Now all you need to do, if you want to turn it off, just click select off and go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.